Hey guys, in this video I'm going to guide you through the process of getting points in McDonald's app. So, to get points in McDonald's application, you need to join the McDonald's rewards program and make eligible purchases through the app. Here's how you can earn points. First way is download and sign up for the McDonald's app. If you haven't already, download the McDonald's app from the App Store or Google Play Store and sign up or log in to your McDonald's account. This will allow you to access the rewards program. Now, join the McDonald's reward program. Once you log in, ensure that you are enrolled in the McDonald's reward program. Some apps might automatically enroll you, but if not, you can manually join through the app's rewards or deals section. Now, make an order using the app. Place an order through the app to earn points. You can choose to order for pickup, drive-through, or delivery depending on what's available in your area. After selecting your item, make sure to use your McDonald's rewards code at checkout. Points are added based on the total amount spent on eligible items. After that, if you're ordering at McDonald's restaurant or drive-through without using the app to place the order, you can still earn points by opening the McDonald's app and selecting Earn Points. You'll be given a QR code. Show or scan this code at kiosk, counter, or drive-through before paying, and the points will automatically be added to your account after your purchase. Now you will be thinking how points are accumulated. For every $1 spent, you typically earn 100 points. The points earned may vary by country or promotion. Bonus points can sometimes be earned by taking advantage of special promotions or offers available in the app. After you make purchases, you can check points balance in the rewards section of the app. Points can be redeemed for free menu items once you've earned enough. You should also check for bonus offers because the app sometimes provides opportunities to earn double points or bonus points on certain items or during specific times. You can also look for deals in the app that can help you save money while still earning points on eligible purchases. By regularly using the McDonald's app and taking advantage of promotions, you can easily rack up points to redeem for free foods and drinks. So that's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.